evening, friends. I hope we all are enjoying our grooming with new knowledge, new technology, and all good things which we can as easy mode. We have not to be worried and we have not to be involved in very extraordinary effort so that we will engage in some new things and new problems, and the condition is not so normal that everyone can be solved. So we are just using the social media platform where so many people, abundant of people are present, and we have very good chance to discuss and teach and learn so many things with each other. But this is the two-way process. If a person is dealing with so many people and he is not getting feedback, how he can improve himself or support the society in various mode. Here we are attending few classes of academics. We have arranged some academic material at our end to provide some good lesson to students of 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and some more students will join us very soon, so that, and some good teachers also join us, so that some other subjects as like English, social science, physics, chemistry, and all these things will be added day by day. This is a long process. This will take time, and we are very passionate about this, because when I started this thing, it was very few people who are knowing me, following me, or doing some comments on my post. But when I started this very nice thing in a very hurry, then I think that it can be planned and be consistent for this thing. After doing so in last 10 days only or 15 days only, I received so many things in my life, and I am totally engaged with such type of learning and transfer of knowledge. Actually, the Excel concept classes is created so many long back here. But the offline study material and offline support to the society was going on. The online version was come when the COVID-19 pandemic was appears, and we feel that being a society member and academician, we have to support some good thing so that we can nourish our society for few days after goal. This is not doing for present scenario. These all things are being done for future. When we remove all the problems from the pandemic and all shortcomings will be solved, then we have to see further what we have gained and what are the real actual problem which we have to face. If we discuss about today's hope, we can say that there are 5 or 6 main hope which we have received today in newspaper. Have you seen them? Have you identified them? If yes, it is very nice. If not, I can say you about those things. Today we have seen that our Prime Minister say that महीने भर में कोरोना से मुक्त हो जाएगी दुनिया. The world will be free from corona pandemic in a month. This is a big hope. We have to see that, and we have to be speculate for the every effort and every possible invention by which we will create such environment and such hope and solve these challenges within a month. This is a big thing. But the big person think big and hope for the best. Next news in the same newspaper on another pages, I received that before July, COVID-19 will out from our country at least 25th July. One news is saying that in 1 month our whole world will be cleared from the COVID-19, but in the next factual position, which we see that we have to face these things more or less, maybe some gradual decreasement in number of COVID-19 cases and death will assume, but we have to face this thing up to 25 July. Then you think that when we have faced at least more than 1 month lockdown period here, and if we are not engulfed in some positive thing, then how will carry forward up to 25 July when maybe some release? There is only one hope more, that लॉकडाउन से बाहर आने का बनेगा रोड मैप. दिस इज ए बिग होप. हमें लॉकडाउन से बाहर आने का रास्ता खोजना पड़ेगा. ये बड़ी चीज है, लेकिन इसके लिए भी हमें रोड मैप तैयार करना है. वी हैव टू फॉलो द गाइडलाइंस, एंड दीज गाइडलाइंस आर आवर ओनली होप. If we follow the guideline, we will get success. Otherwise, the 25 July will be turned up in 25 September. It is not very big thing to say. There are so many scientists who are saying that this is the such condition that we have to face it up to September 2. So, we have to be positive with our material, with our content, with our brain, and we have to learn something new. Here, as I told that we have arranged some academic classes and we have arranged some motivational classes. In this thing, I added one more thing, that we have to tell few words on some topic day by day. But we are not continuing that thing in routine manner. It is bad thing. We have to be consistent about these things, and we will revise here that what we have learned here in personality development class. Okay, now we have to see that what we have learned. What we have learned, in which we have seen that we have learned what is the self belief and how it can be attained. Here we see that this was the initiative. First step was the initiative. If I ask you what are the learning you have received from my class, I am saying you have learned nothing. As I have said that you have to take initiative, you have to told me what initiative you have taken it. As you are saying that there is only 36 people who are there in previous class. There was only 36 people. Today's strength is only 66 people. And I am sure that you will see my profile that when I started this thing, there was only 1010 friend in last month in my friendship. These two are very more. They are much more than person who are actual friend or actual knowledge friendship of mine. These people are so many social people who in which I was engaged, and I do friendship with these people. I was engaged with 1010 people in last month. Now you will see that in last 1 month, when I have started these things, I have added much more people in my friend group, 4095. I have added more than 3,000 people here only in 1 month. Why I have added these things? They have followed me. They requested for friendship because I think that they want some positive thing from social media or Facebook. So I added them. I am narrating so many people at a time and demanding so many things and pinching them by my word, by my saying, by my humiliation. You may treat it as anyway. But I am doing some initiative and consistent initiative I am taking. But if I ask you how many people take the initiative and how many people are consistent, I will say no one for my class, but few people are doing good thing in their life. I cannot ignore them. They are doing so many good things, other things that are very recognizable. And today's need. This is today's need, which they are doing. But I am doing something for future. Okay? Now we come on this point. You have to take initiative. What are the initiative? You have to be doer. Something new. Something new you have added, but you have not initiated him in my group. You have not commented. You have not suggested. You have not give your feedback. Even you have not told me that your face was not looking so smart as I am. And you have see that in previous class I was not so normal. My camera was so below to me that my face was not clear. I was teaching, I was not doing that thing, but the content was so good that I don't restrict me to upload that thing. It is not very nice thing to upload these things, but if you say that if the content is very nice and presentation is poor, then what you do? You will hesitate. No. You have to serve that. You have to serve that so that people say that this is the good thing, but you have to improve this thing. But no one, only some people clap, but they never appreciate or never interact with me. I was very eager to interact in this group private. As this is the very private group, your interaction and your suggestion will be taken by only me. I think no one can see out of this group that what content is here. Okay? Then I am very sorry that you have not taken any initiative. Now I am coming on second point. To get our self-belief, you have to take initiative and we have to be consistent. If we are doer and chooses some path, we have to consistent with that thing. This is the only rule by which any person can attain anything. I have told in previous class that if we have to play cricket, then we have to do practice daily basis. As the same thing, if we are going to teach anyone, we have to take class every day so that our voice, our content and our friendly environment will be created. There are so many people who have so many knowledge, but they are incompetent. They are inconfident to say anything. I was too. My friend circle, there are so many people who are facing this problem. But what is the solution? We are discussing here what is the solution. Then here only we are arranging the class for personality development. Okay? Then we will see that what are the actual requirements. You have to engage with initiative and do something new. What is new? If you are liking my class, then why you are not starting that thing too? If you are liking my behavior or you are liking my concept of teaching, then you should also create some video. You have to encourage your child to say something. At least say yes. Comment very nice. It is not very normal thing. You have to say just very nice. It is not good thing. Just elaborate what is nice. What is actually you get. If you wrote some lines, then your written habit will be improved. If you tell something in voice tone, then your voice will be improved. Then only we have to achieve our self-belief, our confidence, and gradually our confidence and personality will be improved. Then these two things are very important and very factorial for getting our start. If you are taken an initiative and consistent with that thing, we will achieve certainly our self-belief. After that, we have to know what is the knowledge, what really matters for you. We have to choosy. We have to be choosy for that thing. There are so many things in this moment and society which is already available, free of cost. You have to be selective because you have only 24 hours. There is not so much time. You have to take some class and to have implement these things very soon and are getting so many knowledge for yourself too. Then you have to be choosy and be selective where I have to be. In Facebook's too, you have to see that in which group, in which society I will get something new, good thing and some encouragement for myself. Okay? Then here you see that you have to see what is really matters for you. If you ask me, it really matters for me is teaching and learning from the society. Learning from so many textbooks available in the online stores and transferring these things in during such a period when I am compelled to do staying at my office or home. Only these things we can do for our society. Now, we are saying that you have to tell what is matters really for you. You have to see that. And after that, we have to go on feedback. We have to ask if we do something, then only we receive or expect to get feedback. If a leader is talking on desk, only when he can ask the followers how he was. यदि कोई नेता बोलेगा ही नहीं तो अपने फॉलोअर से क्या पूछेगा कि मैं कैसा था, मेरा कुर्ता कैसा था, मेरा गमछा कैसा था। केवल ये पूछने से फॉलोअर बता देगा, लेकिन जब उसकी आवाज रहेगी, जब वो बोलेगा, तब वो फॉलोअर से पूछेगा, तब वो बता सकता है फॉलोअर कि यहां पर ये मिस्टेक हुई थी, आपने उनको जिंदा रहते ही स्वर्गीय बोल दिया था। ऐसा भी होता है, बोलचाल में ऐसा भी होता है। किसी को बहुत आदर देते समय आदमी इतना उतावला हो जाता है कि आदरणीय की जगह स्वर्गीय कह देता है। ऐसा हुआ है। तो इन चीजों से ये कैसे, ये शुद्ध हिंदी है, हमारी मातृभाषा है। वैसे इस ग्रुप में इंटरनेशनल टाइप के लोग भी हैं, लेकिन फिर भी मैं हिंदी में अपनी बात को रख सकता हूं कि बहुत प्रेम देने में भी जो हिंदी हमें आती है वो भी भूल जाती है और हमें आदरणीय की जगह स्वर्गीय निकल जाता है संबोधन में, मंच से। तो इन चीजों को बचने के लिए आपको फीडबैक लेना पड़ेगा, कंसिस्टेंट होना पड़ेगा, फीडबैक लेना पड़ेगा और नेगेटिव चीज को यू हैव टू रिमूव योर नेगेटिविटी। देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स बाय विच यू कैन remove your negativity. After that, you have to decide. We have learned that we have to set our goal. You have to set goal for May, June, July, at least for lockdown period, so that you can do some good thing and add some line in your resume. You are knowing that what is resume. Add few lines in your resume in these only month, so that we can survive in better way in society. So we have to invest in yourself, invest your time, invest your money, and invest your good thing where you can learn and see something. Then after we will come list your positive point. These points we have discussed so many times. List your positive point. You have to write down, these are my positive and these are my negative. You have to grab that thing that which is positive only, and you have to be consistent about these things, and you will get your self belief after taking some feedback. Very easy thing. In this class, whole concept is clear within a minute, because you are taking a learned people in your society, in your neighborhood, so that you can learn these things very normal way. Okay? Now we see that list your positive point, and I asked in class that what you have to learn. You have to learn to say that yes. आपको हाँ करना सीखना होगा. आपने नहीं करने की पद्धति बना ली है, उससे आपको बाहर आना पड़ेगा. You have to learn these things that yes, I can do, and after that you will achieve your belief. Achieve that your belief. What is your belief? You have to attain that you are already there. If you think that you have to get some good thing in your society, then you have to assume that you are already there. आपको महसूस करना पड़ेगा कि आप उस हॉरिजन को पा चुके हैं, आप में वो क्षमता है कि आप पा चुके हैं. तो you have to believe that you are already there. This is a very good job and long effort needed. Within a month or within a few months or talking before the camera, it is not very easy thing कि हम कैमरे के सामने बोल ले रहे हैं तो हम सोसाइटी में भी बोल लेंगे, हम मंच पे भी बोल लेंगे. ये इतना आसान नहीं है, लेकिन प्रैक्टिस करने से, कंसिस्टेंट होने से हमें बिलीव हो जाएगा कि हम वहां बोल रहे हैं और हम बोल लेंगे. ऐसी चीजें जब हो जाती हैं, तब इन चीजों के साथ साथ हमें क्या ऐड करना होता है? नॉलेज. वी हैव टू डू सम गुड थिंग, एड थिंग विच वी हैव अटेंड, एंड उसके बाद नॉलेज जोड़ेंगे. हम नॉलेज जोड़ते जाएंगे, रोज नॉलेज जोड़ेंगे, रोज अच्छे लोगों से मिलेंगे, रोज अपने फेसबुक प्रोफाइल में 2 अच्छे लोगों को ऐड करेंगे, उनके जीवन में क्या हो रहा है उसको देखेंगे, उनके जीवन से क्या हम सीख ले सकते हैं उसको लेंगे. वी हैव टू फॉलो देम, वी हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट देम, वी हैव टू ग्रेस्प देम. इस तरह से हम नॉलेज इकट्ठा करेंगे. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू बी कम्युनिकेबल. If you are not communicable, you will learn nothing. If you only grasping but not narrating, then your learning is half. You can write so many things, but you have not communicating those things to other through email, through messages, through your voice, through your video, or through your appearance in society, then it is meaningless. So we have to be communicable. We have to do some communication classes like this thing. We are doing some personality development class. After that we will discuss how social media can be used for your wealth. These things will also be discussed, because I am doing classes for these things. I am teaching so many people here. Then why you deprive from these things from your side? You will also learn. If you join me, then you will learn so many things day by day. And here we see that these things we have learned, and these are the hopes we have created. One hope also rests here, that Mycobacterium W, that is a vaccine for another disease, but is some good result is there for treatment of COVID-19. It is a very nice thing, very good news, and this is very effective to create a hope and a mechanism how we can change the whole scenario of COVID-19. This is the part of clinical trial. In any other class, we will discuss about the clinical trial. What is the clinical trial? What are the limitations of clinical trial? How much time it will take? And what are the facilities which is required for the doing clinical trial? What type of expertise we need? What type of funding we need? There are so many things and so many steps. There are so many steps for phase 1 clinical trial, phase 2 clinical trial, phase 3 clinical trial, preclinical studies, and these so many things we have to know, because we are the victim of this thing. Now we have to learn these things too, so that we will be aware that if any facility which is created for clinical trial, then it has to be working. If any facility is created by using so many funds in a government organization, and if it will be closed, how you say that it is good thing? If a clinical trial facility, dedicated clinical trial facility is created anywhere, and such type of pandemic is come, then it may be helpful to treat and to search some good innovative drugs, or use of already created drug, already manufactured drug in that case too, so that we can do some science for humanity. And we are doing so many things in our research lab that it can solve such issue too. We are doing clinical trial for metabolic syndrome, that are lifestyle disorder. We are doing clinical trial for diabetes. We are doing neurodegenerative disorders and so many things. These are herbal formulations. There is not so many problems with handling with these drugs, so it is very easy thing. And we are innovative for doing some tribal and herbal medicine at our center, so that our PM call that Ayurveda should run as like yoga now. So we are hoping that our lab will be integrated in that way too. Now we come on our present class. What is the present class? What we miss if we not do all these things? We have to be very thinkable about this thing, that what we will miss if we not do all these things for our personality development. The first very thing is knowledge transfer. We will miss the carry forward knowledge transfer. Everyone is teacher. I have told that in last class that every person who is learned and learned something, you have to transfer some knowledge to society. And if a person is residing with knowledge, then you have to transfer that thing. And if you have not attaining your self-belief, how you can transfer that knowledge? You can incubate only. You can incubate only that knowledge, but you cannot transfer that knowledge. So the first thing is that you have to learn self-belief so that you can transfer your knowledge. Second thing, your personality will be shy in nature. You will be inconfident. You will shy. You feel shy. Anywhere you cannot talk in society, and anywhere where you supposed to tell something else, some word, you feel that you have not self-belief. Now you will not enjoy the people. What are the people? The people around us. What is the surrounding of us? We will not enjoy our surrounding. We will face enjoyment. And most important that thing is, what is the main thing we lose our right mindset. What is our mind has to be false. It will not do that thing for what we have been, but it will do something negative thing what we should not do. And if we not attain our self-belief, then we will do wrong thing. So we have to get our right mindset after doing and following these things. Okay? And after that, these things, the growth will be curtailed down. Growth will be curtailed down. That is very important and lucrative thing for which all my students are hearing me. This is the main factor. Growth, for which we are here only. We are here only doing such classes for our growth. If we are not doing some growth in ourselves, then it is foolishness. Okay? Then, if we not do something, our growth will curtail. Why? Survival principle. We will do a separate class on this thing, that what is survival principle. Very important topic. We will do a class, detailed class for survival principle. Second thing we have to see that we are reluctant to change. ये ऐसी स्थिति क्यों आती है? हम ग्रोथ अपना कर्टेल कर देते हैं क्योंकि हम रिलेक्टेंट हैं चेंज के लिए. We are supposed to collect our comfort zone. Comfort zone. This is comfort zone where we are here. We are reluctant to change. We cannot change ourselves. You just write down in your diary all these things. This material will be not transferred in snap mode. You have to hear my word by word and you have to write down in your diary in your word so that you can engulf that thing in your mind. Okay? Then, this is the growth curtain. You are reluctant to change. We are discomfort about change. So, we are here only in comfort zone. And we are afraid of changes. हम डरते हैं, परिवर्तनों से हम डरते हैं. हम परिवर्तन नहीं चाहते, लेकिन हम परिवर्तन चाहते भी हैं. ये कैसी उलटभासी है? यदि हम परिवर्तन चाहते हैं, तो हमें परिवर्तित होना पड़ेगा. If we want to some change in our life, then we have to do some change in our life. So, here we see that we are afraid of change. And here, I am asking you, if anything will not change in next 10 years, then what will be the future? What will be the future? If there is no change in next 10 years, everything will be such ideal as it is, then what will be the future? There will be no future after 10 years. If there is no change in next 10 years, then there will be no future till 12 years. So, we have to do some changes and attaining some future. This is the main lesson of today's class. We are supposed to do sympathy. We need sympathy. We are not empathetic. We are not needing any empathy. We are searching our sympathy. हमारे साथ ये हुआ, हमारे साथ वो हुआ, हम इस तकलीफ में हैं, हम सिंपैथी के शिकार हैं, हम एम्पैथी के साथ नहीं हैं. अगर हम एम्पैथी के साथ होंगे तो हमारा डेवलपमेंट अपने आप होने लगेगा. Now, one news is also here in our newspaper. This is the newspaper, and in, I think, on 8th or 9th page, it is written that there will be a good chance for digital artificial intelligence. डिजिटल आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की बढ़ेगी हिस्सेदारी. This is the international forum by which such type of news or expectation are created. डिजिटल एंड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की हिस्सेदारी बढ़े। देन व्हाट वी हैव टू लर्न, we have to learn some good thing by the digitally. We will be digitally sound. The school and seminars and colleges and universities who always hesitate to do some webinar or online teaching or telemedicine or all these things which are innovative are doing these things today. Who knows that telemedicine center is working so high way in present day? That is very nice thing that it is only present there. Otherwise, how we can solve the problem of patient of distant location? Today we are doing so many things digitally. It means we have to be digital, we have to be equipped with these things so that we can challenge the problems. We can challenge the problem, and after that we will skilled about all these things and we will see future good very soon. So we digital and we have to be subjective for these things too. Now we are looking about these things. What these things are? These are some hope. There was today's hope and this is our hope. For our personality development, these are some hope. What we are doing here? We are creating some hope inside our belongings, our friends, our parents, our family members, so that we can do some good thing or achieve some goal within a certain period of time. Without hope, there is nothing to do. If we are consistent and take initiative and all those things, what we need, that is hope. We have to be hopeful. अब यदि हम होपफुल नहीं रहेंगे तो हम न इनिशिएटिव लेंगे, न हम कंसिस्टेंट रहेंगे, न हम उस नॉलेज को जान पाएंगे जो हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। हमें हर दिन होप के साथ जिंदा रहना होता है, उम्मीद के साथ जिंदा रहना हो सकता है। इस अखबार में इतनी सारी चीजें हैं जो कि इतनी निगेटिव हैं, यदि उसको आदमी फॉलो करे तो वो कभी भी उबर नहीं पाएगा। He will never survive with that thing. So you have to search some good thing for himself. After that, he will do exercise for his hope too. And we are doing these personality development class plus academic class for creating some hope and skill our youngers so that we can create some future in their life. This is vertical and there is horizontal progress. There are two progress. One is vertical and second is horizontal. In current phase, what our society following? In current phase, our society following more or less horizontal progress. Globalization. This globalization is also a horizontal. This is copycat progress. If we see some startup there, we will copy it and implement that thing here in also in India. If China sees some good thing in US, he copy it and do some startup in their countries. It means this is a type of horizontal progress. But if we add some startup with innovation, if you do some startup with innovation, it will create vertical growth. It will be anything. You can take example of anything. If you add some copycat startup plus innovation, the growth will be vertical. It will not horizontal. So now we adding academic classes plus motivational classes plus online material plus feedback plus innovation talk of learned people plus so many extraordinary things which supposed to come in nearby day. It is a hope and creation for something good and something vertical progress. We are doing some classes and we are adding some good thing and we are joining with good friends so that we can enrich our community, our working group with talent. This is actually the talents word used for is this group. You all are talents. You all people who are joining this class are my talents. I am also your talents. You can use my talent too in your work group, in your society, wherever you want. But you are talent for my group too. So you have to add your expertise. You have to add your expertise. You have to post in this group. You have to do some initiative, proactive thinking. This is proactive thinking. We have to do some proactive thing that I am doing for yourself. I am adding so many people. You have not asked me to add, but I added too many people. There were only 36 people in previous class, but today it is more than 66 people. So I have added so many things. I have added yourself for taking some vertical growth. I want some good thing from your side. You are my hope. If you add and post some good thing, some good lesson for my student who are all together with us, then the group will be enormous. Its potential will enriched. For this only thing, I am narrating so many times in my timeline that everyone should come, everyone should provide some lesson at talk so that we will enrich. By doing such thing, we will enrich the social media with knowledge bank. If the gap will be filled, what else? Nothing. Rumors will go. कोई रूमर जिंदगी में नहीं रह जाएगा यदि हम सब चीजों को पॉजिटिव चीजों से भर दें। और यही बात के लिए हम बार बार जोर दे रहे हैं कि आप सब मेरे चुनाव हैं, हमने आपको चुना है, आप मेरे टैलेंट हैं। You can add some good thing here in this group, your child, and all these things, I am doing for you, you can do for yourself too, so that we can enrich our group with good things. Okay? Then we will discuss all these things. After that, we have to see disappointment. What are the disappointment? हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा, काल से कपाल कर लिखता मिटाता हूं, राग नया गाता हूं। ये डिसअपॉइंटमेंट क्या होता है? डिसअपॉइंटमेंट तब आता है जब आदमी को राह बंद हो जाती है, और जब हमेशा आदमी एक राह खोजे रहता है तब उसको निराशा नहीं होती है। राह का उल्टा लिखिए हराम। अब आप इन्हीं दो शब्दों से मुझे बता दीजिए क्या मेरी पकड़ सही है कि नहीं। या तो आप राह देखिए, नई राह, या तो आपको हरा देगा, ये सिस्टम हरा देगा आपको। यू हैव टू टेक ओवर फ्रॉम दीज डिसअपॉइंटमेंट। These disappointments are messages to you that you have to do some hard work. You have to do some better effort. How many people are doing this 15 hours rule? I asked you, how many people are doing this 15 hours rule? Very few people are working hard for doing their job. 15 hours rule is very nice rule. You have to do 8 to 9 hours for your workbench, and then after 6 hours for your own platform. This is the real beauty of learning. This is the real beauty of learning here at concept classes of Dr. Satyaprakash. If you are doing 8 to 9 hours for your office, then you have to do at least 6 hours for your own platform. After that, you can challenge all those shortcomings in your life at your job place too. So, you have to follow 15-hour rules. This is the success mantra. We have discussed about disappointment. Now, if we discuss, if you do something, यदि हम कुछ करेंगे, if we do something, what we get? We will get problem. Who receive problem? Who solve problem? यदि कोई बच्चा गणित का सवाल लगाता है, क्या आप उसको गणित का सवाल अपने से हल कर देते हैं? क्या उसका सवाल आप लेके अपने से हल करके कॉपी भर देते हैं? नहीं करते। क्यों? क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में बहुत कायदे से बैठा हुआ है कि लड़का अगर मेरा गणित लगाना सीख जाएगा तो आगे कभी भी उसको सवाल आएगा तो उसको सॉल्व कर लेगा। तो देन यू आर imposing problem before your child. We are providing so many problems toward our child so that he or she can learn solving the problem. Then only this thing I am discussing you. If you are doing some good thing or anything, then you will face some problem. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? प्रॉब्लम तो वरदान हो गया। प्रॉब्लम तो वरदान हो गया। यदि ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी तो हमारा फ्यूचर कैसे बनेगा? दिस इज द मेन थिंग बाय विच वी आर सर्चिंग न्यू थिंग इन नेक्स्ट 10 years. Where that was? This is 10 years concept. If we are facing some problem and solving that thing, it is our glory. It is our only glory. So we have to learn some good thing, some positive thing, some consistency, and do some good thing so that we can solve some problems and can learn something good thing. Otherwise, we will not feel normal. If we feel normal, then it will only suitable. यदि हम कोई अच्छा एनवायरमेंट नहीं पाते तो हम अपने को समस्याओं से घिरा हुआ महसूस करते हैं और हम सेटिस्फाई नहीं रहते। तो इसलिए प्रॉब्लम के साथ सेटिस्फाई होना सीखिए। हम लोगों को प्रॉब्लम को ओढ़ना सीखना होगा। कैसे हमें प्रॉब्लम को ओढ़ लेना है। हमारे एक बहुत श्रेष्ठ अग्रज यहाँ पर हैं जो कि काशी क्विज चलाते हैं। उनका काशी क्विज हम लोग हमेशा देखते रहे हैं। इस समय हम लोग अपने अपने प्रोजेक्ट में लगे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने एक आशा की किरण दिखाई। उन्होंने काशी क्विज के माध्यम से पूरे पूर्वांचल के लोगों को एक एक बच्चे का नाम ले लेकर जागृत किया कि उसने ये किया है, उसने ये अच्छा काम किया है, उसने हमें ये किया है, हमारे पूर्वज ये करते हैं। व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज क्रिएटिंग होप एंड क्रिएटिंग सम filling some gap. This is the filling of knowledge. उन्होंने उस गैप को भर दिया कि क्या हम थे, हम कितने enriched थे, how we enriched were, and what we are now. So what we have to do. Okay. Now we are doing some more steps. How we will become proactive? At what life when we do some new thing? If I ask, you will certainly say that if any person of your livelihood do some good thing and attain his success, then you feel good for copying them. You are follower of that personality who is getting success. Then what will push us? Only our friend's success push her to do some good thing. Is it good thing? I say it is not very nice thing. We have to be proactive. यदि मेरे मित्र को अच्छा करना है तो पहले मैं अच्छा कर दूं। उस मित्र की अभिलाषा है कि मैं वहां पहुंच जाऊं, तो मेरी अभिलाषा उससे अच्छी होनी चाहिए। अच्छा कंपटीशन होना चाहिए, और इस कंपटीशन को वो पुश करता है। जब आवर क्लोज वन सक्सेस पाता है तो हमें थोड़ी सी चिंता होती है कि हम कहीं पिछड़ गए। तब हम आगे चल पड़ते हैं, तब हम परिश्रम करने लगते हैं, तब हम दिन रात 15 आवर्स का रूल फॉलो करते हैं, बल्कि 18 आवर्स का रूल कर लेते हैं। अपना स्वास्थ्य भी बिगाड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन हमें पुश तब मिलता है जब हमारे मित्र अच्छा करते हैं। यदि आप मुझसे पूछें कि डॉक्टर साहब पिछले 10 साल में आप कितने लोगों को प्रभावित किए? टुडे आई एम सेइंग दैट आई हैव ए टीम ऑफ 20 people. But in the last 10 years, I have just created hope and did my best to do some good thing, to add some good thing in our life. Only 20 people in last 10 to 12 years. But I had get success for only 5 people who received international fame in their career after getting my suggestion. That suggestion is only 5 to 10 minutes. That suggestion only 5 to 10 minutes. जिसके साथ मैं 10 से 12 साल रहा, उसके अंदर मैं होप क्रिएट करता रहा, लेकिन उसकी जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ खास परिवर्तन नहीं हुआ जिससे मैं संतुष्ट हूं। और मेरे जिंदगी में केवल 5 या 10 लोग ऐसे थे जिनको मैंने केवल 5 और 10 मिनट का लेक्चर दिया, और उन्होंने मेरी बात का थोड़ा समर्थन किया और कुछ अपना एनर्जी लगाया, और आज वो इंटरनेशनल फेम के व्यक्ति हैं। मैं उनका वो मित्र बना। जब वो किसी भी समस्या में थे तो मैं उनका सॉकर का काम किया, शॉक एब्जॉर्बर। और अगर वो कहीं गड्ढे में गिरने की स्थिति में थे तो मैंने उस गड्ढे से उनको अपने हाथ लगा के वहां से थोड़ा दूर हटा दिया। तो ऐसा छोटा सा एफर्ट ही उनके जीवन में इतना बड़ा परिवर्तन ला दिया, जितना परिवर्तन मैं इतने सारे लोगों को इतने साल तक देने के बाद भी नहीं कर पाया। इट मीन्स आई हैव ए नाइस ब्रेन, but I cannot do anything for the person who is not taking my words and implementing those things in right way. So now I have to conclude this lecture that we have revised our previous class, we have motivated what we have to add some good thing, and I am expecting that you all are taking these things and you will follow it. Only 2 things we have to follow. First, you have to make an introductory video for this group only. If you hesitating to do these things, you do only for this video in this group. This is only 66 people. There is no people. You all are anonymous to them. So there is no problem at all. You do an introductory video for your thing. And in next video, or you can add in the same video that how you feel to learn some good thing here on this Facebook platform or this talents group by taking these two classes. You add only 2 lines. This will nourish my energy so that I will do some extraordinary